To allow communication between your CRM, billing provider, support channels, and other systems, along with your ACS, is crucial for having a streamlined workflow where all the pieces of your operation work together. In this video, you are going to learn how to integrate with the Oktopus REST API. First of all, we will go to docs.octopus.app.br, click on Integrations, and then go to the REST API documentation. If you're familiar with software development and scripting, Postman will be a fairly easy tool to use. It allows you to see all the API endpoints, including examples of requests and the answers. Also, you can see snippets of code which are very useful in the software development phase. Still, you can choose any tool you prefer that is capable of reading OpenAPI specifications. We will click to run in Postman and it will open the app. Now that Postman is in place, we will create an user that will generate the token for API calls. So we go to the Octopus system, users, create new user. Let's call it API integration. Set up an email, it doesn't need to be real. And give it full access. If you want, you can create a new role and the token will only be capable of interacting with the specific subjects you defined on the role permissions. Set up a password, and it's ready to go. Back to Postman, we'll fill in some variables that depend on the environment. So I will copy and paste the email, open the variables in the request. We are going to the login, so it's on the alt folder under enterprise version, but it also works with the open source too. So we put the base URL. In my case, it's demo.octopus.app.br, but in your case, it's probably starts with app. So we'll put it here. It's https demo.octopus.app.br/API. In your case, it's probably going to be like that. So here, as we are in a test environment, we'll use demo. The email will be the one that you have created. Test. And the password will also be the one that we have put it in the user. Click on send. And here it is. You don't need to worry about the OTP field. It's only used when two-factor authentication is enabled on the user. This token needs to be used on all the API calls. Postman already fills in the token for us on all the requests, so we don't need to worry about it. Now we will interact with a CPE. First, we get the list of devices on the platform. Go to Get Devices. It's under the device resource folder. And let's clear the response. And here we can send the message, which already contains our token on the readers, on the headers. It was automatically filled in by Postman. And we get the list of devices. Let's pick this one and ask information about the Wi-Fi. Copy the serial number and paste it into the environment variables on Postman. It's available here. Go, you fill in the device information. This is the serial number that we're using. Then we go to get SSID. It's a different API endpoint, different request. Let me clear that again. We click on send and it just works. Basically, Octopus creates a twin of the router into the cloud, so the information is grabbed very fast. And as you can see, it's available in JSON with industry API default standards. The JSON object fields are the same for all CPEs, independent of the vendor. So you can communicate with all your fleet made up of different devices with different data models, tier 181 or tier 098, and even different protocols, tier 069 and tier 369. It works just the same on an API level. If you want to dig deeper, it's also possible to craft messages that work on a lower layer. So you can send raw tier 069 or tier 369 messages right to the CPE. We go to get parameter values or the generic message. It also works. You just need to set up the right payload. So here we are sending a XML payload as it is supposed to be on the tier 069 standard. And we are going to send it for the router that is also connected in our ACS. And here it is communicating with the router directly, not with the digital twin available in the cloud. Octopus ensures ease of use with abstractions and also low-level options for advanced use cases. It's the best of both worlds. If you have any questions or would like to know more, please get in touch. I'd love to hear your use cases and help your team to achieve the goals it aims to. Thanks.